There's also lemon blueberry bread, chocolate chip banana bread. You should just buy it all.
Thank you guys. You too.
Buy it all. Buy it all.
They got samples and it's good.
This one's your kind of thing too.
I know, but I got a couple of
Yes.
jars that my mom made. I haven't eaten yet.
That's what I'm talking about.
The peach pepper, we get the peaches from these two guys on either side of us, and then we use the fillings.
Palm tree pottery.
Those are adorable. You have to admit.
They're funny.